Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Got some jerky smoking here. We're gonna go check on that. And then we got a box in the mail today. We're gonna do a little unboxing and let you know about some news coming to the channel. Old Smoky. Oh, look at that. Looking good. Alright guys, so we got this package in the mail today, and what it is a maple syrup evaporator pan. So we're going to try making maple syrup this year. So let's dig in, see what we got. Now the actual brand of this is by Vevor, and I ordered it through Home Depot online. So let's see what we got here. All right. Here's our warming pan. Parts. It's kind of like Christmas, and well, we got 2 more days till Christmas, so came a little early for me. All right. So that's the warming pan. Then you can put your valve on there. All right. All right. So, give me a hand with this. Okay. Take the box and just throw it over. All right. There it is. Fits on there like that. Then they give you a kit here with your valves, some bolts to bolt your warmer pan on. And even give you a Teflon tape. That's pretty nice. Like I said, this is all from Vevor, and it was ordered through Home Depot. So shout out to Vevor. It's actually really good quality. I'm surprised. Sturdy, built really well. So if you want one, go get you a Vevor. Very, very impressed with it. Good quality. Welds are all nice. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. So, over here. Oh yeah, there's the brand Vevor. You can Google it or go to homedepot.com. I'll try to put a link in the description down there for this specific one. This is a 24 wide by 48 inches long, and then like right here where the stack is with your warmer pan, that is 19 inches tall. So overall, I think this is going to work out really well for us. I'm looking forward to trying maple syrup for the first year. And yeah, like I said, it's Vevor, and I bought it through Home Depot. I think you can go right to their site and buy them too. But anyways, if you're interested in seeing how we make out our first year with maple syrup, make sure you like and subscribe, and come back and check us out, see what we got going on. We're going to build a burner for this, so try to get you some of that content also. Thanks for watching. See you next time.